Hey guys, it's literally 9 o'clock. Yeah, and Julia stuff just did a video about 1.9 could be out. So I'm really sussed out by. So we're gonna head out and try and find it. But we need to quickly find that vid. Wait, the Wella's also doing one. Right guys, there's also no sound on this computer right now. So yeah, it's all very quiet, so sorry about that. Unplug the headphones and nothing happens. So I kinda need the... Nothing's happened here. Sus alert. Anyways, let's actually join into SCR and see what all of this is about. Let's keep our eye down there. Is literally out right now, guys. Holy heck. Holy heck. Guys, look, Newry Harbour. Like on the sneak peek vids that we did. Fudge Christ. Okay. Fudge. Guys, someone help me. I'm about to swear. Fudge. What is this? Guys, there's literally a cruise ship right here. Right, let's go and have a look at others. Oh. Oh yeah, waterline. No news station, okay. Nope, Ashland Park still has not been upgraded. Okay, Newry. Guys. It was Eden Key the whole time. Everyone was saying it was Ashland Park. It's Eden Key, for God's sake. Bruh. Here we got two trains. Here we've got two trains here. Well, okay, this has turned out to be some sort of review vid right now. Anything to Airlink? No. Well, guys, remember, like I said, there's literally no sound. So sorry. We've got Newry to Lynn, Newry Harbour to Lynn, Benton to Lynn. Oh, there. That's the only thing that's happened on. No new routes, to be honest. I mean, that's all fine. Yeah, let's go back to drive passenger. To Newry. We got east and west entrance to Newry. Oh wow. Oh. Wow. Okay. Oh. It's literally 1.9, guys. Let's go ahead on Waterline. Let's go ahead to Sponette. Oh, Morganstown Docks, and we're going to spawn up. If you haven't watched my sneak peek review video, go ahead and watch it, literally. Hang on! Go ahead and watch it right now, guys. But, yeah. Express is going to have a very nice time coming through here, but, yeah, guys. The end of the video, it's 1.9. Everyone say good morning to 1.9. It's come out at 9 o'clock. Like and subscribe, and I'm just gonna watch this express train whiz through. There's no sound. It's just rubbish. There's no sound on this. Anyways, that express train over there has gone. Goodbye. Well, that express train is gone, and I'm going to be going now. See you in the next video.